Hi everyone, Alexa here with the Duval Homestead, and today I'm going to be cleaning out our chicken coop and preparing it for winter. We're supposed to have a snowstorm in the next week or so, and I want to make sure the coop is dry and nice and warm. So I'm going to show you what we do. This is our first winter with our 3 backyard chickens. If you haven't heard about our chickens, I posted another video about kind of the things we learned when we first got them. So this will be our first winter with them. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do to make sure their coop is dry and warm. So the first thing that we're going to do is clean the coop out. Next, I'm going to spray the coop with a natural cleaner. This cleaner has water, white vinegar, a little bit of dish soap. It also has some garlic oil. The garlic smell helps prevent bugs and other insects from wanting to be in the coop. So next I spray down the coop with my coop cleaner. This is water, vinegar, some gentle dish soap, some garlic oil, which helps deter bugs and other insects from the inside of the coop. It's a very natural cleaner, and I'm going to spray it on the inside and just wipe it around to make sure I get in the corners, and I also will spray the top. Next I'm going to lay down some pine shavings. Pine shavings compact really well, so I like to have a base layer of pine shavings on the bottom, and then I put the straw on the top. That way, when they go to the bathroom, the poop will never actually hit the floor. Next, I'm going to lay down some fresh straw. Straw keeps the chickens quite warm. It's a good insulator, and at night the chickens sleep together and they generate a lot of heat. So we want to put down straw in the wintertime so that they can be as warm as possible. Some people do put heaters in their coop. I do not think this is a good idea, and I've heard from others that it's not a good idea. It can catch fire really easily in the coop, and we don't want that. So we are just choosing to do everything naturally and keep them warm as safe as possible. It's time to add our layer of straw. This is the soft bedding that will keep them nice and warm. But before we do that, I'm going to add a nice sprinkling of food-grade diatomaceous earth, and this helps keep bad bugs away, but is not harmful to the chickens. Another product people use to put in their coops to keep them bug-free is lime. We have not gotten any yet, although we plan to. I like the straw because it is pretty water resistant, and we get a lot of water here in the Northwest. So if I just did the pine shavings, it just gets soaked and it never dries. The straw does a pretty good job of staying pretty dry. So the last thing I'm going to do is put on some herbal coop nesting blends, and this is a bag of lavender and other dried flowers. It smells really good, and I think that they like it. This is from a company called Cascade Mountain Herbs, and it's made locally to me, and I love buying local products. Well, thank you so much for watching this video on how we winterize our coop and keep our chickens dry and warm in the winter time. I hope this helped you with your chicken coop. If you're new to my page, I post weekly farm-to-table recipes, homesteading, and other healthy living from a homestead in Duval. Thank you for watching. As always, feel free to share with someone you think would like it, and thanks for stopping by the homestead.